How to upload tax form on FreeTaxUSA. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload tax forms on FreeTaxUSA quickly and easily. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any browser and go to freetaxusa.com. And if you are a new user, you can simply click on create account and follow the registration steps. And if you already have an account, you can simply enter your username and password. And once you're done with that, you can simply click on sign in to log in. And once logged in, start a new tax return for the tax year you are filing, and if you already have an existing return, simply open it. Now to upload your tax document, simply navigate to my account section where you will find all options to upload tax forms. And once you are in that section, simply select the type of tax document you want to upload. This could be 1099-K from UVA, W2 or any other necessary documents. Click on Upload Tax Form and a window will pop up prompting you to browse your computer for the file. Now select the correct document and simply upload it. And after uploading, double check that the document is for the correct tax year and all the information matches what you received from the issuer. If you spot any mistake, you can delete the file and re-upload the correct one. And once everything looks good, follow the on-screen prompts to submit your uploaded tax forms, and you will now be able to review and make any necessary edits before completing your return. And after uploading your tax form, if you own taxes, FreeTaxUSA will provide the option to make a payment, or if you are due a refund, you can choose direct deposit or have a check mailed to you. And once a tax return is filed, you will receive a confirmation, and if you run into any issue, FreeTaxUSA has customer support available to help. And that's how you can upload tax forms on FreeTaxUSA. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy tax tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.